Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are diving into the exciting world of digital elevation models, also called DEM, and 3D terrain models. So these tools are essential for analyzing terrain, visualizing elevation, and creating stunning maps. So in this tutorial, I will guide you through how to download DEM data, visualizing elevation data in QGIS, creating hillshades, contour lines, and interactive 3D maps. So let's get started. So first we discuss what exactly is a DEM. A DEM is a digital elevation model which is a digital representation of Earth's surface elevations. And it is widely used in GIS for applications like watershed analysis, urban planning, and disaster management. Think of it as the foundation for understanding our planet's topography. So, to begin, we need a DEM file. So, there are a few reliable sources where you can download high quality elevation data. The one is USGS Earth Explorer, SRTM data from CGR, Copernicus Open Access Hub. So I'm using USGS Earth Explorer for data downloading. So open Chrome browser and write USGS Earth Explorer. Okay, so the website is open and I already log in. So for you guys, if you are new to the USGS website, so you should need to register yourself. Okay, so now we are search for the DEM data. So click on datasets. Here you can find digital elevation. Click on it. It's up to you if you want to select all. So you can select all as well. And click on result. Now it shows all the DEM data. Click on this footprint. This one for this area. This one for this area. Santa Rosa Island. And there are, look at this one. It's up to you which one you want to download. So I already downloaded the file. If you want to download a file, so here you can see the download button. Click on it. It opens the pop-up menu. Now click on download. The new tab open. Set the path for the downloaded data. Click the save button. Now look, the downloading is started. So I already downloaded the file. So let's open the QGIS. I already opened the GIS file. After extracting the file, drag the file in the QGIS. Now you can see the grayscale image. Okay, so this grayscale image represents elevation with lighter areas indicating higher elevations and darker areas indicating lower elevations. Now, as you can see, this DEM data value ranges from minus 1505 to 741. So these are the elevation values. Visualizing terrain data with Hillshade. So to make your terrain visualization more dynamic, so let's create a hillshade. So open the processing toolbar, click on it, toolbox, and search for Hillshade. Look at this. As you can see, Hillshade, which is situated in the raster analysis. Under raster analysis, you can find Hillshade. Now double click on it. Uh, Select your DEM file and now adjust the azimuth of the light and altitude to simulate the sun's position for realistic shadows. So first we leave it as it is and see what's happened after processing this. So click run button and you will get a beautiful shaded relief map. Now the conversion is complete. Now as you can see the difference of hillshade and grayscale image. This one is the hillshade and this one is the grayscale image. So hillshade image value ranges from 1 to 255. So now we are generating contour lines which are crucial for understanding elevation intervals. So how we can do this? Okay, now we need to create a contour lines. So how we achieve this? Click on the raster, extraction, find the contour, click on it. Input layer is the first DEM file, which is in grayscale. Click on it. Interval between contour lines leave as it is. If you change this according to your needs, you can change it as well. So for me 10 meter is better. So now click on the run button and wait for it. It will take some time. Okay, now the conversion is complete. Click on close. Now look at these lines. These are the contour lines. If you want to change the color of these lines, double click on it and change the color from here. For example, we have to select this one, apply, OK. So you can adjust the styling of the contour lines to make them more readable for your analysis. Okay, so our next step is how to create a 3D terrain model. So finally, let's bring our map to life by creating a 3D terrain model. So follow the steps. So go to the view, click on 3D map views, click on the new 3D map view, click on it, click on the this setting, configure, click on DEM, elevation, select the hillshade. Okay, so first we need to check this one is vertical scale 2 is best, apply, click OK. Now to show this layer in a 3D view, press the shift button and click on the right button of the mouse and up and down to adjust the layer. Now as you can see, a 3D view. Now look, there is a white space. So how to remove this? Click on it, configure, and skirt height 50, apply, OK. Now white spaces are removed. Still there are some white spaces. Now configure 100, apply, OK. Now if you want to export this map, click on this save as image, name 3D view DEM, set the path for image, click save. Now we need to check in the download folder. Detail. Now look at this, the image is created, which is in 3D. You can also export the 3D scene as well. Scene name, leave as it is, set the path, download folder, terrain resolution. You can change this resolution as well. To 158, click OK. And that's it for today's tutorial. From downloading DEMs to creating hillshades, contour lines, and stunning 3D maps. So you have now mastered the basics of working with terrain data. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more GIS tutorial. So let me know in the comments what GIS topic you would like to learn next. See you in the next video.